most of you have seen this, right?
Yes.
I haven't.
Too many times.
Yeah.
So it's probably overkill, but those who know me know I like overkill.
Hey! It's potions class. I heard.
So what better way to start potions than with vapor?
You should have done something with dry ice. I just think dry ice is cool. I like
Dry ice, I'm in
And
charge of the
fire.
dry ice around here.
Kevin made dry
Oh, that's right. I was going to bring dry ice. Hold on.
just
Okay.
All right, here we go. The candle. Should we turn off the lights?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So what's the science behind this, John?
Well,
Boom.
there's hydrogen and oxygen in there, and well, once the flame melts its way through the balloon, the hydrogen will ignite, and that will mix with the added oxygen that's in there rather than just the oxygen in the atmosphere.
We've lost one already.
This is like talking about moles.
All right, bombard.
Whoa!